Hello, on this video I want to explain writing a classes. But before we jump into topic, firstly let me see what is the classes and methods. Every Java programming should have at least one class with the main function, which is methods. In here let me write the classes by the keyword of the class. The name of them is main here, and the part of the curly braces in here, and between them the methods in here. We write here the methods inside this class, which means it is part of this class here. And also let me talk about the access modifier. What is the access modifier? It is the controlling accessing class and method from other class and method. Let me give the example of some types of the access modifier, like the public, private. In here, most of time we use the public. In front of class and method we write public, which you see here. And also this one is access modifier. And also let me give the example for that. Firstly, let me write the class with the constructor and methods to use it from other classes. Firstly, we need to write the instance variable. Now here we understand what is the public and private. It is access modifier, and also we make it private, our instance variable, to use it inside only this class. And the type of them is integer and with width variable, and also another our instance variable with the private and also int and height. Now this one is our instance variable. What is the instance variable? Which is, it is writing inside the class, not inside the methods or something other. This one is using from constructor. Let me see. Here let me write our constructor. What is the constructor? Why would you need this constructor? Why would you need a constructor? The primary reason of the constructor, we can initialize the object with the certain values like this. For example, we write parameter here, integer react width, and other things is react height, and also inside there width, which is this width is equal to this react width, and also another one is height, is this height is equal to with the react height. Here if we use this constructor from other classes, if we enter value here, they automatically make it equal to this one. And also let me write some function to use this class, like let me write, and also here is the comments, some comments for that, you can read this. And also here is the method, which is get area, and also here get area, we must be multiple width with the height. Yes, return width with the height. And also another our method is get height, and also it is return with the height. And also other one is get width, is also return to width. And also to string, here we write a return rectangle with width plus width, and also width is this one, and also height is equal plus height. Now, and this one is using for they convert results of the constructor into string. Now here we finish our class. Let me use it in other class. Now here let me see, to use that class we need to create an object. Let me create that object, the rectangle, which is name of the class, and also give the name of the object like a first react, and after that equal to new This one means to reuse the rectangle class, and also rectangle, and inside there, if you remember that we have a width and height. Let me write firstly 6 the width of them, and 9 the height of them. Now here let me write our second object. Let me write it rectangle, and after that second rectangle, the name of the object, and also the new, and also rectangle, width and height. We give width and height, and also to print that one we need to write the name of the object here. Now let me run the code here to see the results here. Yeah, do you see rectangle width with width 6 and height is 9, which is here, and also rectangle with width 20 and also height is 8, which is here. From here, if you see that here is our constructor, if we enter here width and height, which is here, they automatically make it equal to this value into this. Okay, here we entered the 9 and 6 and 9 here. This one is rect width, which is 6, and the other one is int height, rect height is 9 here. For this one is same things. Do you see the object is reuse the class here? And also here about get area. What is the get area? It is about the, also we write other methods here, which is get area, get height, to return height, and return width here. But here, what is the public string to string? This one is convert our results into string. Let me see. Let me comment these parts, this function. Let me run the code again. What's happening here? Do you see? They give us some funny things here. To see our results, firstly we need to convert it into string. We need this function. Let me uncomment them and let me run it again. Okay, now this one is our result again. And also to use the get area, for example, how we can do that? From here, let me copy this one, past that one, or area of rect. Let me write the area of the rect here, and here we write area. Let me copy this one quickly here, dot here. Let me copy this one, dot get area here. Now dot get area here to access to this one, and here don't forget to put parentheses here because this one is method. That's why. Let me see what's happening here. Yeah, do you see? They give the results of this one. They multiple 20 into 8. Okay, let me open up the calculation here quickly. Let me multiply 20 into 8. What the result will be? The result is 160. In here they showed us 160. Why? They use this method. Okay, now let me do the first exercise of this class. Other one you do it by yourself. Let me do first one. Let me open it. Let me read the explanation of this one. On these exercises, what we should do? Here, they say add the toString method to the follower class. Remember that the format of the toString method is public, which is this one is modifier accessors, and also the type of them is string, as the method is toString here, and also the toString method should be formatted so that the following code is like that. We need to print out this one. Do you see? Firstly, we need to put red, and after that we need to put a second one, and also third one, and fourth one here. From here, let me see. We have a main method here. This one is our object. This one is our class, which is used with this object here. Do you see? They enter this one and all these values. And here we have an instance variable, and also we have a constructor with the type string here. All these values is a string. Now, before we write the toString methods, now first let me run the code. What's happening when we write the code? Do you see? To see the results of them, we need to write toString method here. Let me write it. Now here, let me write the public string toString, and after that return, and after that color, second one, which you remember about the format of them, and also free space here, plus name here, and also plus first we write a parenthesis, which is this one, and also plus spaces. Don't forget to put the semicolon here. Let me come to our main method, I mean on our main class also. Let me run the code again. Do you see? They wanted from us these results. And also let me check all one is true or not. Do you see? For all one it is true, and also you can check it from this one. Check the code. Do you see? All one is working great. Now you can do by yourself other exercises to upgrade your knowledge. See you for next video lesson.